Hello, my name is Schmidt. I'm the course director of the Bachelor in Physics at the University of Luxembourg, and I would like to present to you our studies program. The Bachelor of Physics comprises 3 years of basic studies in physics, which then results in a bachelor's degree. Afterwards, you have the opportunity to continue your studies at the University of Luxembourg with a master's in physics, which involves 2 years of more advanced studies and more specialized studies, and which results in a master's degree. And then if you want to pursue a career, for instance, in research, you have the chance also to do a PhD in Luxembourg, which involves 3 to 4 years of doctoral studies, which is really scientific work, which then results in a PhD degree. I will talk to you more about the bachelor program. So what are the aims of our studies program? Well, we would like to convey to you the basic ideas of the main areas in physics. So the bachelor is very broad, but not very deep. You will just receive the main ideas of important physical theories. We will also highlight the importance of combining experimental and theoretical physics for gaining scientific knowledge. I mean, these are the broad areas, or these are the broad disciplines in physics. On the one hand, you have to do experiments to get experimental data, to learn something about nature. On the other hand, theoretical physics is necessary to turn this data into theories and to model mathematically what the phenomena that we observe in nature. This is why it's also important to familiarize the students with the mathematical tools which are essential for physics. So mathematics is the language of science, and even more so it is the language of physics, which is why mathematics plays a very important role in our physics education. There are also many students who are interested in becoming teachers after their studies, and this is why physics didactics and also science communication can be chosen as elective subjects in our studies program and play important roles. Moreover, we have also other chances for specializations according to the students' interests. Then a peculiarity of our program is that in the 6th semester, so the last semester of the bachelor project, the student will experience firsthand scientific methods because the entire 6th semester is dedicated to a bachelor thesis, which the student spends in one scientific workgroup and performs a scientific project. The study of the program is as follows. In semesters 1 to 5, we have always courses in physics, for instance, in mechanics, electrodynamics, but also in more advanced theories like relativity, quantum mechanics. There are also courses in mathematics, for instance, algebra, calculus, then for instance, probability theory, and so on. There are always lab classes. This means that students will have to perform experiments and then evaluate the data gathered from these experiments. And we have a large selection of special courses, for instance, chemistry, astronomy, but many more. Now, as I mentioned before, the 6th semester is completely dedicated to the bachelor thesis, during which time the student will work in a research group, will be embedded in a research group, and will perform scientific research there. As all studies programs, there is also a mandatory mobility semester, which the student has to spend at a university abroad. And in our case, we try to offer students the maximum flexibility. So this mobility semester is currently possible during the semesters 3, 4, or 5. What could be reasons for studying physics at the University of Luxembourg? So first of all, what do we require from our students? Our students should be fascinated by the phenomena which occur in the universe. And also, our students should have a solid mathematical education. I mean, you will learn mathematics when you start your studies at the University of Luxembourg, but students should have a good interest in mathematics as well. What do we offer? We offer excellent study conditions. We have very good infrastructure, very good equipment and laboratories from which the students can benefit. We have a very international environment. Our students and also our professors come from all over the world. We have a very dynamic team of scientists. So the professors are often professors of very, very high international reputation. Then a special feature about our physics bachelor is that we offer very small classes, which allows us to offer a very familiar atmosphere. So for instance, students always have the chance to ask questions and always have the chance to give feedback to the professors. Our education also combines very efficiently training with research. So there are many opportunities where the student not only has to learn things, but also can perform actual research, for instance, in the bachelor thesis, but even before, students can work as assistants, as teaching assistants, or they can do internship elsewhere, in work groups, for instance, or in industry. The subjects that we teach have a high technological and scientific importance. For instance, we study nanomaterials, semiconductors, magnetic materials, and also photovoltaics. And our students have the perspective after their bachelor's degree to continue with a master's of science degree if they want to stay in Luxembourg. Now, what are the career options for physics students? Typically, our students, they go into industry, research, education, but also particularly in Luxembourg into the financial sector where the mathematical skills are highly in demand, or they do computer science or data analysis. One last thing I would like to mention is a traditional studies program in physics, which we organized together with the Université de Lorraine in Nancy in France and the Universität des Saarlandes in Saarbrücken in Germany, which involves 3 years of bachelor studies in physics, after which the student will receive a trinational bachelor degree from all the 3 universities taking part. This program is aimed mainly at students who have an interest in languages, who already speak French, German, and English and want to develop their linguistic skills, and who also would like to expand their intercultural skills. A particular advantage for this course is that you benefit from a large selection of courses which are offered at 3 universities, and this course is supported financially by the German-French University, which allows us to pay a monthly stipend to the students in this course. This is all I want to say. I hope I could get you interested in our bachelor programs in physics, and I would be very happy to see many of you in the coming winter semester. Thank you very much.